and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Alicia, aka Ali, and in today's video we are doing this chocolate brown kawaii makeup look. Egirl, I know. Oh, and I wanted to say a thank you guys for 68 subscribers. It's not plenty, but it's plenty to me. It's not plenty to some people, but it's plenty to me, because 68 people is a lot of people, and I'm very grateful. So stay tuned for this makeup look. Okay guys, so let me get started with this makeup. So I'm going with using Gymshark's palette, and I'm going in with this light brown on the outside of my eyes, like this right out here. Sorry, I went in with this brown instead because that one too light. Yeah. Baby, tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like it now. I'm waiting. Think I wanna make a move now. Baby, tell me if you like it. I'm going in with a darker shade of brown and build up the pigments of it. I know I'm going into my Bontaran palette, and I'm going in with the color Punk. So I'm going in with this light brown, and I'm putting that to the front of my eye. I'm blending it out. I want to go into this color right here and put any brow bone. I want to take some of this same shade of my brow bone and put it in the front here. Lighten it up a little bit. So now I'll be going in with some liner, and I'm going to do puppy liner. So I'm starting at the bottom here, and I'm bringing it up like this. So I'm starting down here. Now I'm gonna draw in a little bit of like fake lashes, like right under here. It's true, they know next side. So after that, I'm going in with this color right here, and I'm going to put that in the inner corners, taking a very small flat brush. Yeah, for this step we're using white liner. I don't have any white liner, so I use an eyeshadow. I use an eyeshadow primer. I use a white eyeshadow primer, and I go in and I put in that in my waterline.
Baby, I love you all the way down. Each Friday night, I promise you I get hot sweat dreams. Relax and let me make that move. Saucy and freaky. Between me and you now, think I wanna make that move now. I know what to do.
Oh, okay. So now I'm gonna put a little bit of this same white on my nose. I'm gonna try to do like a kind of I'm gonna take my black matte egirl liquid liner, and I'm gonna do some little dots all over my face. Not little dots, like little freckles all over my face, like all over my nose and like by my cheeks. And I'm gonna add two hearts underneath like this. So I'm gonna draw like a V, right? And then I'm gonna like just bring it in to create a heart.
Tell me if you like it now. I've been waiting. Think I wanna make a move now. Baby, tell me how you like it. I know I'm not. I wanna make a move now. Baby, tell me you know what to do if only.
So this is the finished look, guys.
Choke me like you hate me, but you love me low-key. Wanna date me when you fuck me. Touch me with the lights off and my chains on. Baby, I'm not the right one, you should wait on. She a freak, little bad hoe. Guess but told me kill her, so let me grab my death note. She put me in like a lasso, saying that she know me, I don't even know her
chocolate makeup look. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.